Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make tea bags at home. First, gather your essential supplies. You'll need your favorite loose leaf tea, food-grade filter paper or unbleached coffee filters, and some string, a needle, and scissors. This allows you to create personalized blends, ensuring every cup is exactly to your taste. Get ready to craft your perfect brew. Now, let's prepare your tea. Measure 1 to 2 teaspoons of your chosen loose leaf tea for each bag. Carefully place this amount in the center of your filter paper. It's important to distribute the tea evenly, but don't overfill. This ensures your tea has enough space to expand and release its full flavor when steeped. Next, it's time to assemble your tea bag. Carefully fold the filter paper into a small, secure pouch around the tea. Using a needle and thread, stitch the edges closed to prevent any tea leaves from escaping. Remember to leave a long string attached for easy removal from your mug. You can even add a small paper tag. Finally, it's time to enjoy your custom creation. Steep your homemade tea bag in hot water for about 3 to 5 minutes, adjusting the time to achieve your preferred strength. Store any extra tea bags in an airtight container to keep them fresh. Now you can savor a perfectly brewed cup made just the way you like it.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.